DJ Jones here.
And Pigeon.
Also, we have Maple and Jacob with us. We're here today in Long Beach, California for, what is this event, Pigeon?
It's called Beach Streets. It's sponsored by Metro LA, where they come into your town and close down the entire street or a few streets. And the idea is to activate the area by allowing people to skate and walk and bike on the streets and actually see the businesses that are there in the neighborhoods rather than driving. When you drive, you don't really see as much as if you're on the street.
And I am seeing so much more than I would have ever seen before.
Yeah,
I drive this road all the time and I'm like, look at this cute little house.
There's a Thai food place right here.
I never saw that. I've never seen here before. So,
yeah.
Pretty cool event. We're really excited to be here. We're excited to be in the middle of the street right now.
Yeah.
I mean, just to give you a little perspective, like, pretty awesome. So we thought, what better time than now to talk about the top 10 benefits of roller skating. So you know what? I think we should just jump right into it.
All right.
Number 10 is it burns calories, so you can eat more cake.
Or ice cream.
Pizza!
I want some donuts, maybe?
Donuts.
Maple likes donuts. Number 9! Do the hands.
Oh, okay. Number 9 is improved balance, agility, and coordination.
Which makes you smoother, more suave.
And you could chase your toddler easier.
Chase your toddler. Number 8. It's a physical activity that is low impact and easy on your joints.
Oh, that's nice. You know, if you need some physical therapy from an injury, like you're a runner, you can't run for a while, you can skate.
I've known several runners that roller skate as cross training because it rebuilds their knees and those joints that get achy from the high impact of running. So,
or if you just naturally have not so good cartilage, you know,
or maybe you
can't run. If you can't run in general, you can still skate. Good for your heart.
It improves your heart health and endurance, prevents heart disease, which is one of the #1 causes of death in America. So don't die, roller skate, y'all.
Makes your love better.
Sorry, I didn't mean to go there. Number 6. When you have roller skates on your feet, you can still move like a regular person. Like if you have a bike, you have to chain it up when you go inside somewhere. If you have a skateboard, you have to pick it up to go over the curbs.
Yeah.
With roller skates, I just like step over the curb. I can go inside. I'm still at the scale of a person who can do all the things.
I don't have to hold any sort of equipment.
Yeah. Except for your coffee. 2 hands. Coffee. Number 5. As you are like a normal person when you have your skates on your feet, it's a very social activity. What's up, Pigeon?
What's up?
Oh, hey, Jacob. How are you?
Hi.
Yeah. It also lends itself to several sports, so you can join the team on roller skates. It's there are many opportunities to be social. Go to the
People
rink.
want to skate together, so it's kind of like a magnet. Like people on wheels are like, "Ooh, what's up?"
Yeah, well,
skate.
and that leads us to number 4. It's a conversation starter. So when I go out on the street with my skates on, I make way more friends because everybody I pass is like, roller skater. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen those since the 70s.
Yeah.
Or like, the old school ones. Like, so many conversations started. So many more connections to real humans, y'all.
Yeah. Number 4.
Roller skating teaches you to fall and to be okay with falling. When you skate, you fall again and again, and that's the only way that you can get better. And it makes accepting failure and knowing that failure is a part of your growth way easier. It's kind of a metaphor for life in a way.
Yep. You gotta fall. You gotta get up.
Gotta get up again and again and again. All right, here we go. We're getting closer. Number 3. 3. You really do 3 like that?
It's a German 3. Because like this from far away, it's like, is that a 2 or 1? I'm like, my eyes are bad. They call that a German 3 or roller derby. That's why all wrestlers do that.
You can roller skate anywhere there's concrete.
Yes, you don't have to have a gym membership. You don't have to go to a specific building to work out or do a sport.
Tickets. All you have to do is have your skates, put them on your feet, go where there's concrete, and roll. You know what? That makes this world a lot less boring. Like, this road would be pretty boring if I didn't have my roller skates when you think about it, right?
Yeah.
So now that I have my skates, anywhere I see concrete, I see an opportunity to do something awesome.
Yes.
Even if it's just like little tiny square concrete, you can dance all day. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Or linoleum or anything hard, you know, wood,
Yeah.
concrete wood, something hard.
So that's our number 3. Number 2. What is it?
It gets you fit.
It gets you fit.
Ugh.
More important than looking good. Okay, well, it makes you look good, that's for sure. It makes you look real good. Like, my butt never looked like this before. No joke. But besides that, not only does it make you look good, but you feel good, you know? I feel fit when I skate.
Yeah.
It's a great feeling. I'm
Yeah, I
like,
feel comfortable in my skin because I'm.
gives me confidence. Gives me a lot of confidence. So I would say number 2, it builds confidence. And here is number 1! Yeah. All right, and here we go. Number 1, the most awesome reason why roller skates are awesome is because it makes you happy.
Yeah.
It's a mood booster.
Feel good.
It releases endorphins because it's a form of exercise. It's a feeling of freedom and fun and opportunity that you can experience outside your own front door. Oh man, don't get me going. I go all day on this.
And when you have that happiness and that fitness and that health, you feel so much more confident. You feel so good, you know?
And that's why you should roller skate. And not to get too emotional here, but there is definitely a reason why Pigeon and I have dedicated our lives to get as many people rolling as possible. And that's because it really, really does change people and communities in positive ways.
Yes.
So put on roller skates, put your kid on roller skates, get your family out there, get out there with your friends, and just give it a try.
Yeah, it'll change your life and for the better.
So welcome to roller skating. Thank you for joining us today. We're gonna go hit the beach streets and show you guys what a world on wheels could look like. It's a beautiful thing.
I'm gonna practice. This is like one of those overcoming fears, like going downhill. So
You got it.
I'm like, there's a gate. I know there's a gate. I'm just gonna like try practicing.
Yes.
Good stuff, gal.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Doing it.
Well, enjoy your skate.
Keep going, keep going. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit up planetrollerskate.shop for everything you need from helmet to toe stop. And until next time,
Later, skaters.